Five little ducks went out to play in the golden sun at the break of day, waddling down the grassy way with Mama Duck leading the way. Only a clip, two. One little duck jumped in the pond, splashed around and swam beyond. The others laughed and gave a cheer. Water games bring joy so near. Only a clip, three. Out came Kittens, soft and sweet, pawing yarn with tiny feet. They tumbled, bounced, and chased around with happy purrs and playful sounds. Only a clip, four. Then came chicks so small and bright, fluffy yellow, full of light. They chirped hello and joined the crew, making friends as babies do. Only a clip, five. Ducklings, kittens, chicks at play, jumping, running all the day. Laughs and giggles filled the air in the sunny farm so fair. Only a clip, six. But oh, one duckling slipped away, chasing butterflies astray. Through the flowers off it went, on a tiny ducky adventure bent. Only a clip, seven. Back it came with the daisy bright, Mama hugged it, what a sight. All were glad to have it near, with happy hugs and joyful cheer. Only a clip, eight. Now it's picnic time, hooray! Fruits and snacks on clothes they lay. Everyone munching side by side, with love and joy they couldn't hide. Only a clip, nine. Bubbles floating in the breeze, popping high and low with ease. Jumping, spinning in delight, chasing bubbles left and right. Only a clip, 10. Hide and seek behind the hay. Who is hiding? Who will play? Peek-a-boo and giggles fly.